How you doing, man?
Hey, how you doing?
Can I get a picture of you standing over there again? You had the way the sun kind of split you in half. I do street photography.
Oh, okay.
So let's see. Actually, where you were before. Yeah, okay. Go ahead, lean against the wall. Just like that. Perfect. So you got like the sun split you in half there. It's a photographer thing. Yeah. You able to take one down there like this? Excellent. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Beautiful day out here, isn't it?
It is.
Man, you got the right job being able to stand there. Like, you just need a chair is all you need.
Better job.
Well, I'm not getting paid, though. Thanks, man. All right, buddy. Hey guys, how we doing? We are back downtown Indianapolis for another Ricoh Wednesday. We certainly do appreciate you tuning in, checking it out. And we're gonna do this every Wednesday and see what we can come up with. So walking around downtown Indianapolis, having a good time. The weather's warm, the people are out, businesses are starting to come back downtown, restaurants are opening. So hopefully that's the same in your city as well. So we're gonna check things out here and see what we come up with today. Should be a great day. So come along with me and we'll see what we come up with. All right, guys, we are back at it with our Ricoh GR III and our GA1 coupler on the top of it. Saves your lens and enables you to wipe it off if you need to. We also have our JJC thumb grip here that we're working with. And again, we're in downtown Indianapolis, taking a walk. So let's go across the street, see what we come up with today. Our settings for today, we are at 1/500th of a second, f11. Our snap focus distance is 1 meter. That should give us everything we need. We are on auto ISO, maxed out at 3200. So again, I'm going to try to always go to the left here and to get it, and we'll see what we come up with on this. I'm also on, need to go to highlight weighted mode, make sure I'm on highlight weighted. Yes, we are on highlight weighted. The only problem with highlight weighted, it does work well for you, but when you look at it in the viewfinder, the LCD screen, everything looks dark. If you're using Lightroom like I do, it's no problem bringing all that up, all those shadows up. So let's see what we can get today. Very sunny day. Guy on a bike. Here we go.
Troy. 5 guys. Okay. Take care.
Can I take a picture of you? Yeah, you guys just got a cool look with that shirt on. I do street photography. All right, on. Actually, get you a big exhale there. Oh, okay, let's do that again. We gotta do that. Hang on a second. Let me get the settings here, just since we're in the dark here. Here we go. All right, right on. Yeah, big, huge exhale. Right on. Right on, dude. I appreciate it.
So when I called the other day, have a good day.
Can I take a picture of you sitting there drinking that coffee? Can I take a picture of you? I just walk around and take pictures of interesting people in the city. There we go, right here. Excellent, thank you, sir. Got a good look sitting there.
People
How you doing, man? Photo of you here. Look right here. Excellent. Thanks, man. Hey, can I get you guys a picture? Can I get you guys a picture? I just walk around doing street photography.
Okay.
Always good to see people.
Look like we doing something.
There you go. Right on. We got proof now.
All right, brother.
There we go. Thanks, guys. Thanks for what you do. Okay, now I usually want to get to the left, but since we have the artwork to the right, or to the left, I'll shoot her to the left here, or I'll stay to the right.
How you doing, Sean?
All right, how you doing? I smell like marijuana. Can I get a picture of you guys? Yeah. Right on. Here we go. Awesome, thanks, man. Things going back to normal. Excuse me, sir. Hey, can I get a picture of you? You just got a good look. I walk around and take pictures of interesting people in the city. Excellent, right here. Okay, let's get one more right here. We'll get it with the background here. There we go, perfect. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed our Ricoh Wednesday installment. Gonna have this every Wednesday. They won't all be from downtown Indianapolis. I know we're getting tired of the scenery here, but we will go some different places and have some fun and see some different sights and some different people. So stay tuned for that. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and you'll get those videos when they come up. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. We'll see you on the next one.